Good morning to all of you. And yesterday we were doing some problems. Yes, I have taken this up to this balloon, which is always radius spherical in shape, has a variable radius. Find the rate at which the volume is increasing with radius, and I think that must have been over. Now we should take this. Write down the radius of an air bubble. Write down radius of an air bubble. Radius of an air bubble. The radius of an air bubble is increasing at the rate of the radius of an air bubble is increasing at the rate of half centimeter per second. Half centimeter per second. At what rate? Full stop. At what rate its volume of the bubble at what rate the radius of an air bubble is increasing at the rate of half centimeter per second. At what rate its volume of the bubble increasing when the radius is 1 centimeter. When the radius is 1 centimeter. Yes. Very important problem. You can take it. Important for examination. Also you may get it. Also this they have not asked. You may get it. March 2021. You may get it also. The radius of an air bubble is increasing at the rate of half centimeter per second. At what rate its volume of the bubble increasing? At what rate its volume of the bubble is increasing when the radius is 1 centimeter? Given, you can write down. Given is the radius of an air bubble is increasing. That means given is dr by dt is half centimeter per second. dr by dt is half centimeter per second, and its volume of the bubble is at what rate its volume is increasing is asking. Radius is increasing dr by dt half centimeter per second, and when the radius is 1 centimeter, given r is 1 centimeter, he is asking dv by dt at what rate its volume of the bubble increasing. dv by dt is how much? And just read the thing. The radius of an air bubble is increasing at the rate of half centimeter per second. dr by dt, what rate its volume of the bubble, dv by dt is how much when the radius is 1 centimeter. You know the formula. Volume V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume means volume of sphere, because air bubble andre you notirbode, and you could have seen also aramane hatra ee bidta irtare bubble bidta irtare nodidiralla engine bubble. ಅದು ಒಂದು ಇದು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸೋಪ್ ಇಂದು ಇದು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಬಲ್ ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಏರ್ ಬಬಲ್. ಏರ್ ಬಬಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್, ಏರ್ ಬಬಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನೋ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್, ಸ್ಪೆರಿಕಲ್. ಏರ್ ಬಬಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ and it is spherical in shape. V is 4/3 pi r cube. Now that is why you should take the volume of air bubble. He is asking volume. Suppose surface area of air bubble andre you should take 4 pi r square. Now air bubble ಗಾಳಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಬಬಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೀಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, that is bubble, and that is sphere in space. We should take V is equal to 4/3 pi r cube, differentiate with respect to t, always unless it is specified. Suppose with respect to radius andre r anta ಬರಿಬೇಕು, but here they are telling it is nothing is given. It is mentioned that dr by dt ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ it is with respect to t. Now when you differentiate, dv by dt is equal to 4 by 3 pi into 3r square into dr by dt. It is 4 by 3 pi into r cube, the 3r square, r cube differentiation is 3r square into dr by dt. You are differentiating with respect to the time dr by dt. So 4 by 3 pi into 3r square dr by, you are differentiating with respect to the time, 3 3 hoito, it is 4 pi into r square into dr by dt. ಅಥವಾ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು 3 ಗೆ. Now when you differentiate 4 by 3 pi is a constant, 3r square dr by dt. Now 3 are cancelled. It is 4 pi into pi and keep it as it is. Radius ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 1 centimeter. It is 1 square into dr by dt is given half centimeter per second. So it is 2 ಹೋಯ್ತಿಲ್ಲಿ. It is 2 pi centimeter cube per second. Volume it is 2 centimeter cube per second. 3 ಹೋಯ್ತು. 4 pi and r square 1 square and dr by dt is half 2 pi centimeter cube per second is the answer. You can say that volume is increasing. Volume of the bubble increasing at the rate of 2 pi centimeter cube per second. It is 2 pi centimeter cube per second. That is the volume is increasing. You can take one more problem of this type. Okay, I suppose you have copied the problems. Now same thing, the radius of an air bubble is increasing at the rate of, instead of half, you can take, instead of half, 3 by 4 centimeter per second. Change the problem. The radius of an air bubble is increasing at the rate of half, half ಬದಲು you take 3 by 4 centimeter per second. At what rate its volume of the bubble and also and surface area of the bubble. We also take down surface area of the bubble. Here, take that the radius of an air bubble is increasing at the rate of this much, 3 by 4 centimeter per second. And what rate its volume of the bubble and surface area, please add this also, and surface area of the bubble increasing when the radius is 2 centimeters. You can take it, change it as 2 centimeters. So one addition in this is they have asked the volume of the bubble as well as surface area of the bubble also they have asked. Here given dr by dt ಎಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು you make it as 3 by 4 centimeters. Radius is increasing at the rate of 3 by 4 centimeter per second and r is 2 centimeter. R is 2 centimeter. I suppose all of you are following. R is 2 centimeter and he is asking to find out is dV by dt. Also is asking dA by dt. Athwa d by dt of SA in surface area. A andre the surface area only is how much. So two things he is asking in this problem. One dV by dt and dA by dt. And V is equal to 4 third pi r cube. dV by dt also up to this you take as this. 4 by 3 cancels 4 pi r square dt. Here you have to substitute. Here it is dV by dt is equal to dV by dt is equal to, so here 4 pi into r square. Radius ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, radius is here it is 2 centimeter. So 2 square into dr by dt. dr by dt is 3 by 4. You can see 3 by 4 centimeter per second. R it is 4 ಹೋಯಿತು. 2 4s are 4 into 3 12 pi centimeter cube per second. Because volume ಮಾಡುವಾಗ you should write cubic centimeter or it is centimeter cube per second. Either you can write centimeter cube per second, 12 pi centimeter cube per second, or you can write 12 pi cubic centimeter per second. Either of the two things you can write. dr by dt ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ and r is given 2 centimeter. Find dv by dt, dA by one part we have found out. We have not found out surface area dA by dt. This is 2 pi centimeter cube per. I have just not 2 pi, it is 12. The volume of the bubble increasing at the rate of, okay, you can say that 12 pi centimeter per cube. Now you take, volume is over, surface area. Surface area is given by the formula 4 pi r square. Surface area is very important. 4 pi r square. Now differentiate with respect to t. He is also asking surface area. How fast the surface area also increasing? Differentiate with respect to t. D by dt of surface area is equal to 4 pi into 4 pi differentiation tagotiri. 4 pi is a constant, 2r into dr by dt. This is very important. 4 pi 2r into dr by dt, or it is 4 pi into 2 into r kottidage, it is 2 centimeter, and dr by dt is given by 3 by 4. R is given by 3 by 4. Now 4 can be cancelled. This is also 12 pi, but centimeter square per second. This is very important. It is also 4 pi r square when you are differentiating 4 pi into 2r into dr by dt. Now 4 pi into 2 into r radius is 2 and 3 by 4, 4 cancels. It is also 12 pi. See, this is a very peculiar problem, unique problem. Volume is also increasing at the rate of 12 pi centimeter cube, and surface area increasing at the rate of 12 pi centimeter square. This is 12 pi centimeter cube. Volume is always cube and surface area is always centimeter square. I suppose you have followed. Very important problem for examination. Now we shall take the next one. A balloon, a very important problem for examination. You may get it this time, March 2021. Take the problem. A balloon which is always in spherical, shape. ನೋಡಿ, spherical ಅಂದರೆ sphere. Okay, circle ಅಂದರೆ that is the circle you should take. A balloon which is always in spherical shape has a variable diameter, has a variable diameter has a variable diameter 3 by 2 into x plus 1 has a variable diameter, underline ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 3 by 2 into x plus 1. Find the, write down, find the radius, find the rate of change of its volume. Find the rate of change of its volume with respect to x. With respect to x. Underline that also. So a balloon which is always spherical in shape, andre sphere ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ, has a variable diameter 3 by 2 into x plus 1. Find the rate of change of its volume with respect to, find the rate of change of its volume with respect to x. So this is a very important problem. This they may ask also, they have not asked. Radius kodo badlu given diameter. You know, diameter radius ke relationship anta gotti niಮಗೆ. Twice the radius is diameter. That is, diameter is twice the radius, or diameter is given, half the diameter will be radius. So you know the relationship. From this you can find out radius first. Afterwards he is asking find the change of its volume, not with respect to anything, with respect to x. That means you have to find out dv by dx, not with respect to the time. dv by dt Allah, you have to find out dv by dx, volume with respect to x he is asking. This is the one you should understand. dv by dx. Now diameter is given, write down, given diameter is 3 by 2 into x plus 1. This is your diameter, and to find out is dv by dx, not dv by dt, not dv by dt. This is where the students go wrong. It's not dv by dt. He is specifically asking, I told you, unless it is specifically asked, it is asked here volume with respect to x. So you have to find out dV by dx. So this is the volume. You have to find out dV by dx. Now diameter is so much andre, you know radius is half the diameter, because 2 radius is diameter and therefore diameter is 2 radius. Radius is half the diameter, or half into 3 by 2 into x plus 1, or it is radius is 3 by 4 into x plus 1. This is the radius. Here this is diameter, half the diameter is radius, so 3 by 2, half of 3 by 2 into x plus 1, or 3 by 4, not down, it is here in the numerator, 3 by 4 into x plus 1 radius. Now you know V is volume of sphere, because you should take this spherical in shape antane. Volume of sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. It is volume is 4/3 pi r cube, or V is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. Differentiate here, very important. R is substitute madi. R is, because you know R is what? R is 3 by 4 into x plus 1. R is given here 3 by 4 into x plus 1. Substitute here 4 by 3. ಆಮೇಲೆ differentiate ಮಾಡೋರಂತೆ. Don't differentiate with respect to x. First R substitute ಮಾಡಿ radius. Radius is 3 by 4 into x plus 1, or it is 4 by 3 pi to 3 by 4 into x plus 1 whole cube. This is very important. Many students commit mistake. 4 by 3 pi, radius is 3 by 4 into x plus 1, 3 by 4 into x plus 1 whole cube. It is the radius. 4 by 3 ಇದೆ, pi ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. R ಗೆ you have to substitute 3 by 4 into x plus 1 whole cube. R ಗೆ 3 by 4 into x plus 1 whole cube ಬರೀಬೇಕು. That is why ಇಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೀ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರೆದುಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. You have to write R, it is 4 by 3 pi into 3 by cube 27, it is 27 by 64. 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64 into x plus 1 whole cube. This is the one. Now if you want, you can simplify also. 3 9s are 4 16s are. It is 4 16s are, or it is 9 pi by 16 into x plus 1 whole cube. Is to be ಈಗ differentiation ಮಾಡಿ. Please understand why I am doing now differentiation is there should not be any mistake. V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Pi r is so much. We have found out cube. I cube ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 27 by 64 into x plus 1 whole cube. Now it is 3 9s are 4 16s are. Now it is 9 pi by 16 x plus 1 whole cube. This is your V. V is equal to 9 pi by 16 into 9 pi by 16 into x plus 1 whole cube. Now differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x, because he wants dV by dx. Find the volume with respect to x and ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. dV by dx is equal to 9 pi by 16 into constant as it is dV. 9 pi by 16 you should not do anything, as it is into 3. Here it is 3 into x plus 1 whole square into d by dx of x plus 1. Then you are differentiating with respect to x. dV by dx is a constant as it is 3 into x plus 1 whole square, because this whole thing is x cube. 3x square into d by dx of x plus 1 1, or it is 9 into 3 27 pi by 16 into x plus 1. This is the one. And if you want, you can keep cubic centimeter per centimeter, because they have not mentioned any units. Just leave it as it is. Centimeter ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, meter ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. Keep the answer as it is. Please take this problem. Very important. ಈ diameter ನಲ್ಲಿ radius ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು, half the diameter. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ substitute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, or simplify ಮಾಡಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ you should find out dV by dx differentiation. dV by dx is so much, and you got the answer. That is dV by dx 27 pi by So your answer is 27 pi 27 by 8, not 27 pi by 16. I think 16 is correct. 16, is there anything? We have missed it out. 3 square, 3 nines are 3 square 9, and here it is 4 16s are, it has gone here, and this we have simplified here, 3 into x plus 1 whole square, and this is nothing but 27 pi 16. Yes, it is 16 x plus 1 whole square. This is your dv by dx. Okay, it's an important problem. And volume of the sphere is, can anybody tell me? It is whether it is 3 by 4 pi r cube or 4 by 3 pi r cube. Whatever it is, what is that volume of the sphere? Volume is is 27 pi by 16 into x plus 1 whole square. This is a very important problem, and you should not forget. It is not 4, it is 4 by 3 pi r cube. It is 4 pi r square is your area, and 4 by 3 pi r cube is this. So we have simplified. This question is very important for exam. Yes, all balloon spheres and surface area of sphere and volume of the sphere and all over. Now we should take the next problem. We will go to cube. Now take down. The volume of a cube yes, an edge. Take down, this is an important problem. An edge of a variable cube, an edge of a variable cube, an edge of a variable cube is increasing at the rate of an edge of a variable cube is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. 3 centimeter per second. How fast is the volume of the cube? How fast is the volume of the cube? How fast an edge of a variable cube is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. How fast is the volume of the cube and its surface area is increasing when the edge is when the edge is 10 centimeter long. And read the problem, very important problem. An edge of a variable cube is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. How fast the volume of the cube and its surface area, here it is important, this is important, variable cube, edge annadana underline ಮಾಡಿ, edge of a variable cube is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. How fast is the volume of the cube, very important, volume of the cube increasing and its surface area. ಎರಡು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, volume of a cube ಇದು and surface area increasing when the edge is 10 centimeter, this also when the edge is 10 centimeter long. A very important problem for examination, and of course if you take it, you may also get, I think once 2016 they have asked this question. Okay, now edge of a variable cube andre, you know, edge andre x, edge be x is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second, that is dx by dt ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. And how fast the volume of the cube, dv by dt ಮತ್ತೆ dA by dt, surface area is a, d by dt of surface area is how much when the edge is, when x is 10 centimeter. These are the things. So write down given ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ first write down given. An edge of a variable cube is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter andre, let the edge be, write down, let the edge be x, let the edge be, let the length of the edge, let the length of the edge, let the length of the edge be x. Okay, L anbodu ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ x anbodu, length of the edge be x. Edge of the variable cube is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second andre, dx by dt ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. You should write dx by dt is 3 centimeter per second. Write down dx by dt is 3 centimeter per second. And how fast is the volume of the cube and its surface area is increasing? How fast is the volume of the cube and surface area is increasing when the edge is 10 centimeter? Also given x is 10 centimeter. Please understand, x ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, length of the edge ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, and they are given that length of the edge is increasing in the rate of 3 centimeter per second ಅಂತಾನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. These are the things they are given. Now what you should do is, he is asking dv by dt. To find out what are the things he is asking, to find out dA by dt is 2. That means what is the surface area is increasing, and sorry, how fast is the volume? Yes, first dv by dt ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Next one, d by dt of surface area also is asking. These are the two things he is asking. When x is given, he is asking. dx by dt is also given, and x is given, is asking how far the volume is increasing. dv by dt is 2. Next dA by dt ಅಂತಲೂ ಬರೀರಿ, ಕೆಲವರು ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ dA, a means surface area, ನಾನು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ, d by dt of SA ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Yes, is increasing. It is very easy. First one ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, V is volume of cube. What is volume of cube? I had given also in the beginning itself. I had given it is x cube. Volume of the cube is x cube. So when volume of the cube is x cube, differentiate with respect to, because you have to find out dv by dt. Differentiate with respect to t. Differentiate with respect to t, always with respect to time I said. dv by dt is equal to, yes, 3x square, when you differentiate x cube, 3x square into dx by dt. That's all. See here, v is x cube, volume of the cube, x cube, dv by dt differentiate ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ, 3x square dx by dt ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. Now it is very easy, x is given. Yeah, x is given as 10 centimeter and dx by dt also 3 centimeter. dx by dt is given 3 centimeter per second. Now 3 into x square, 10 square. X get 10 square into dx by dt is given 3 centimeter per second. Substitute 3, or it is 3 into 3, 900, and x square, 3 into 3, 9 into 10 square. 9 into 10 square it is 900, it is volume we should note, cubic centimeter per second. So volume is increasing at the rate of, understood, 900 cubic centimeter. You can write somewhere here, volume is increasing at the rate of, volume is increasing at the rate of 900 centimeter cube per second. Volume is increasing at the rate of 900 centimeter cube per second. This is your volume. Now we have to take, one is over, and we should take surface area. And share of this, we will go for this. Okay. What is surface area of a cube? You should note, I have given that also. Surface area of a cube, SA andre surface area of a cube. Surface area of a cube is, can anybody tell me, 6l square or 6x square? If x is the edge of the cube, 6x square. So now differentiate with respect to t. When you differentiate with respect to t, d by dt of surface area, or a andre a anta tagolli, dA by dt tagolli. D by dt of surface area is 6 into 2x into dx by dt. This you should note. 6 into constant 2x into dx by dt. Substitute ಮಾಡಿ x ಗೆ 6 into 2 into x is 10 centimeter and dx by dt is 3 centimeter, or it is 6 2s are 12, 12 3s are 360, that is 360 centimeter, just multiply this, 36 into 10, 360 centimeter square per second. This is very important. This is your dA by dt or d by dt of surface area, 360 centimeter square per second, and this is 900 cubic centimeter per second. You can also write area, surface area is increasing, surface area is increasing at the rate of, you can write that surface area is increasing at the rate of 360 centimeter square per second. 360 centimeter square per second. Understood? That is 900 centimeter cube per second. This is 360 centimeter square per second. I suppose you have followed the understood? A tagolli, B area tagolli, volume formula. What you should know the formula, and this is x kottidane dx by dt. You will do one more problem of this type. Okay. Now we take an edge of a, please take an edge of a, I suppose you have copied this. Now I will drop all these things. We will change the problem. One more problem we take. Is increasing at the rate of, this will change ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, at the rate of, this will be 5 centimeter ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Take this, an edge of a variable cube is increasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per second. How fast is the volume of the cube and surface area of the cube? ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ, okay. And its surface area is increasing when the edge is take 15 centimeter. When the edge is 15 centimeter. 10 bada, you take it 15 centimeter. Again, I read the problem. Here, an edge of a variable cube is increasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per second. Change the problem. How fast is the volume of the cube and its surface area is increasing when the edge is 15 centimeter? That means given ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ edge is x. Edge is x. X is given 15 centimeter and dx by dt. That edge is increasing at the rate of, ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, dx by dt is 5 centimeter per second. Now use the formula. First one dv by dt to find out is dv by dt can ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ dA by dt or d by dt of SC surface area ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. This is what you have to find out. Now you take V is equal to volume. Volume is equal to volume of the cube is variable, you know that x cube, or dV by dt is differentiated with respect to t 3x square into dx by dt. Here V is equal to x cube, volume of the cube, 3x square dx by dt. Substitute, you know, x equal to 15 and dx by dt also 5 they have given. Now you write dv by dt is equal to 3 into x square. X is 15, 15 square into dx by dt, that is 5 centimeter. That is 3 5s are 15, 15 into 15 square. It is 15 cube, 15 cube andre it is 225 into 15, 225 into 15 andre 75, that is 7, 33. Yes, it is 3000. You can say dv by dt is 3375 cubic centimeter ಅಥವಾ ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಪರ್ ಎರಡೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಪರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಐ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. 37 3 33. Yes, this is your dv by dt, and you can also, this is your volume, and surface area is 6x square, and d by dt, when you differentiate this one with surface area, d by dt is equal to 6 into 2x into dx by dt. Here substitute, just substitute 6 into 2 into x is 15 centimeter and dx by dt is 5, or it is 8, 6 2s are 12, 12 5s are 60, 60 into 15. Understood? It is 2, 30, 30, this is 10 into 60 into 15, or it is 0, 9, 90, 900 centimeter square per second. This is d by dt of surface area is increasing at the rate of 900 centimeter square per. This is your surface area, 900 centimeter square per second. So that is your surface area, and this is your volume is increasing at rate of 3375 cubic centimeter per second. We should take the next problem. I suppose you have followed. These are all very important for examination. Okay, these are all very important for examination. We should take the next one. The volume of a cube is increasing at the rate of the volume of a cube is increasing at the rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. The volume of a cube is increasing at the rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. How fast is the surface area increasing? How fast is the surface area increasing? Is the surface area increasing? How fast the surface area increasing when the length of the edge, when the length of the edge is 12 centimeter. Is 12 centimeter. Very, very important problem. I'll read the problem again. The volume of a cube is increasing at the rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. How fast is the surface area increasing when the length of the edge is 12 centimeter? Here you should note, they have already given volume of a cube is increasing. Andre dv by dt every centimeter cube per second koಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೋ, you write down first what is given ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Given is dv by, first to given what to find out ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. Given is dv by dt, volume is increasing at the rate of ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. Write down dv by dt is 8 centimeter cube per second. Understood? This is your dv by dt. It is increasing at the rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. How fast is the surface area increasing? Now, how fast surface area? Now, that is when the length of the edge is 12 centimeter. That is, length of edge is always x and length of edge is x is 12 centimeter. X ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, but length is increasing at the rate ಅದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. So dv by dt ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, volume is increasing ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, and length of edge ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, x is equal to 12 centimeter. What is to be find out is how fast the surface area increasing. That means write down to find out surface area, that is d by dt of surface area. You have to find out how fast the surface area is increasing. d by dt of SA you have to find out. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ dv by dt ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, x ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. To find out here surface area, you know the formula 6x square. When you differentiate 6x square with respect to t, it is 6 into 2x into dx by dt. But dx by dt he has not given. Very important thing is dx by dt he has not given. But dx by dt we have to find out with this data. How to find out dx by dt? Volume is x cube. So when you differentiate volume, so dv by dt is equal to 3x square dx by dt. ಇದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, x ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, dv by dt ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. You have to find out dx by dt from this. So first thing is find dx by dt, then use this in that d by dt of SC. So you know the formula, v is equal to, don't put 4 by 3 by r cube, u is equal to x cube. You know that volume of the cube is x cube. So differentiate with respect to t, dv by dt is equal to 3x square into dx by dt. You should understand, you are differentiating with respect to t, dv by dt is 3x square dx by dt. Here you know dv by dt ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ and x ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, you can find out dx by dt. Then you can go for surface area. Idರಲ್ಲಿ very important thing is, many students they directly go for surface area, they don't get how to get dx by dt. So from this data you have to find out dx by dt. V is x cube, differentiate with respect to the time, 3x square into dx by dt. Now dv by dt is equal to 3x square dx by dt. Now it is dv by dt is equal to, dv by dt is given there, it is 8. 8 is equal to 3 into x also given 12 centimeter, 12 square into dx by dt. Or it is dx by dt is equal, from this data you can get dx by dt 8 by 3 into 144. 12 square, see this 12 square is 144. Now it is dx by dt is, further simplify ಮಾಡಿ, dx by dt is 8 ones are 8, 6 8. So it is 8 18s it goes, or it is 1 by 54 centimeter per second. It is 1 by 54 centimeter. See what I have done? V is x cube, 3x square, 3 into x ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. It is simplified here. ಮಾಡಿ by 8 by 3, 1 to 144, 8 18s it goes, and 8 18s are 144, or 1 by 54 centimeter per second. Now you take dx by dt, you got it, 1 by 54 centimeter, not square alla, very length idu, adinda by centimeter per second. Now you know the formula, surface area is 6x square. Now differentiate with respect to t. When you differentiate with respect to time, you get d by dt of surface area is 6 into 2x into dx by dt. You are differentiating with respect to t, you must understand 6 is a constant, 2x into dx by dt. Now dx by dt also you have found out, 1 by 54 is there. X also you know, x is 12 centimeter. Now you substitute here 6 into 2 into x is 12 centimeter into dx by dt, just now you found out 1 by 50. Now simplify this. When you simplify this, 6 9s are it goes, 6 9s are 3 3s are 3 4s are, or it is 8 by 3. Actually d by dt of surface area is actually it is 8 by 3 centimeter square per second. You should write, because area is very important. surface area is increasing at the rate of 8 by 3 centimeter square per second. Very, very important. So d by dt of surface area is 8 by 3 centimeter square. Or you can write surface area increasing at the rate of 8 by 3 centimeter square per second. This is what you should write. Surface area increasing at the rate of 8 by 3 square. Here you should know dV by dt kottidane, x kottidane. From this data you have to find out dx by dt. From dx by dt, then use that formula. You are 6x square and use ಮಾಡಿ because surface area is 6x square. Then differentiate ಮಾಡಿ. Then dx by dt, what you found out, substitute there, and this is the answer. Okay, I will give you one more problem. You try practice in your house, and tomorrow if you don't know, you will just will solve. Practice well. The volume of a cube is increasing at the rate of, just to change this, 9 centimeter cube per second. Please take the problem. The volume of a cube is increasing at the rate of 9 centimeter cube per second. How fast the surface area is increasing when the length of the edge, is, now you change that as 12 centimeter kottidalla, you can take it as 10 centimeter. When the length of the edge is 10 centimeter, so you can also give the answer I will give you. So d by dt of surface area is, I will write the answer here. So the rate is increasing at the rate of 3.6 centimeters square per second. Please check whether this is the answer. D by dt is 3.6 centimeters per second. So change here, volume of the cube is 9 centimeter cube per second. How fast is the surface area increasing when the length of the edge is 10 centimeter. Okay, this is 10 centimeter kottidane. And same thing, dB by dt and x is 10 centimeter. Find out dx by dt. Aamele substitute ಮಾಡಿ, you have to get the answer 3.6 centimeter square per second. I hope all of you have followed, and tomorrow we shall continue with some more problems, and we shall take increasing, if this is finished, we shall take increasing and decreasing functions. Thank you.